हेलो गाइस, नया एक वीडियो में स्वागत है। तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे बीएससी नर्सिंग 2019 का क्वेश्चन है। ये दूसरा यूनिवर्सिटी का है। तो सब यूनिवर्सिटी एनसीईआरटी को ही फॉलो करके क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं। तो आप लोग को भी जहाँ पे भी एमसीक्यूज मिले सॉल्व करते रहिए और सेम टॉपिक को रिवाइज करते रहिए। और अगर कोई एक क्वेश्चन नया मिल रहा है, टॉपिक नया मिल रहा है, उसको भी बार बार पढ़े और रिपीट करते रहें, रिवाइज करते रहे उसको। तो आज शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 51, टोटल 50 क्वेश्चन होगा शायद। द फिगर्स ऑफ कॉर्क, द फिगर्स ऑफ कॉर्क सेल्स आर, द फिगर्स ऑफ कॉर्क सेल as seen by Robert Hooke were published in his book. The figures, question is the figures of cork cell as seen by Robert Hooke were published in his book. Option is origin of species, plant kingdom, genera plantarum, micrographia. Option D is correct. The figures of cork cells as seen by Robert Hooke were published in his book Micrographia. Next, which enzyme works in conjunction with SSB protein during DNA replication? Option is helicase, DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase, ligase. Option A is correct, helicase. Which enzyme works in conjunction with SSB protein during DNA replication? Helicase. Option A is correct. Next, chromatin is chemically made of. Chromatin is chemically made of. Option is nucleic acid, histone and non-histone protein, nucleic acid and histone protein, nucleic acid and non-histone proteins, nucleic acid. Option B is correct. Chromatin is chemically made of nucleic acid and histone proteins. Next, which of the following granules are present in cyanobacteria? Question is, which of the following granules are present in cyanobacteria? Option is polyglucon, carboxysomes, gastrocols, all of the above. Option D is correct. Which of the following granules are present in cyanobacteria? नीचे दिया हुआ कौन सा ग्रेन्यूल्स साइनोबैक्टीरिया में प्रेजेंट रहता है? तो पॉलीग्लूकॉन, कार्बोक्सिजोम्स एंड गैस्ट्रोकोल्स सब प्रेजेंट रहता है, सब ग्रेन्यूल्स प्रेजेंट रहता है साइनोबैक्टीरिया में। नेक्स्ट, Bacteriophage attacks plant cell, animal cell, bacteria, mycoplasma. Option C is correct. Bacteriophage attacks bacteria. Next, Asparagira is, option is unbranched glomerulus, no, unbranched filamentous alga, unbranched filamentous alga, branch filamentous alga, unicellular alga, colonial alga. Option A is correct. Asparagira is a unbranched filamentous alga. Question 56. Asparagira is a unbranched filamentous alga. Next question. Cynogamid. COE. Cynogamids are found in Funaria, Mucor, Asparagira, Slanginella. Option B is correct. Cynogamids are found in Mucor. Option B is correct. Next, which of the following cells in pinus forms a male gamete? Option is first prothelium cell, second prothelium cell, tube cell, body cell. Option D is correct. Which of the following cells in pinus forms a male gamete? Option D is correct, body cell. Next, pollen grains germinate on stigma, style, ovule, ovary. Option A is correct. Pollen grains germinate on stigma. Next, the number of egg cell synergids, central cell and antipodals in the female gametophyte of angiosperm is respectively. Question is, the number of egg cell बोला है, synergids बोला है, and central cell and antipodals in the female gametophyte of angiosperm is respectively 1, 1, 2, 3. Option B is correct. 1, 2, 1, 3. Egg cell 1, synergids 2, and central cell 1, antipodals is 3. Next, the outermost layer of endosperm of maize grain is called. एपिडर्मिस, ये क्या लिखा है पहचान में भी नहीं आ रहा है। ऑप्शन सी इज ट्यूनिका एंड पेरिकार्प। द आउटरमोस्ट लेयर ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म ऑफ मेज ग्रेन इज कॉल्ड ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, एल्यूरोन लेयर, एल्यूरोन लेयर। outermost layer of endosperm of maize grain is called alluron layer. Option B is correct. Stone cells are an example of which of the following? So stone cells are an example of scleroids. Scleroids So scleroids is a type of sclerenchyma tissue. So option C is correct. Stone cells are an example of scleroids, and scleroids are a type of sclerenchyma tissue. Option C is correct इसके लिए. Next, T700 is the reaction center of PS1, PS2, chloroplast, all of the above. Option A is correct, PS1. T700 is the reaction center of PS1. Next, respiratory quotient for linseed is option is 1, 0.64, 1.54, 0.03. Option B is correct, 0.64. Respiratory quotient for linseed is 0.64. Next, acetyl CoA is connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle, end product of glycolysis, end product of Krebs cycle, none of the above. Option A is correct. Acetyl CoA is a connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Option A is correct. Next, which of the following is a respiratory substrate in photorespiration? Option is carbohydrate, fat, protein, glycolate. Option D is correct. Which of the following is a respiratory substrate in photorespiration? Option D is correct, glycolate. Next, hormone primarily connected with cell divisions is IAA, NAA, cytokinin, gibberellic acid. Option C is correct. Hormone primarily connected with cell division is cytokinin. Next, what is auxin? Protein, fat, growth hormone, cell. Option C is correct. Auxin is a growth hormone. Next, which of the following growth hormone was firstly extracted from fungus Fusarium? Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, kinetin. Option B is correct. Which of the following growth hormone was firstly extracted from fungus Fusarium, gibberellin? Option B is correct. Next, enzymes can stop the reaction. Change the reaction, catalyze the reaction, none of the above. Option C is correct. Enzymes can catalyze the reaction. Next, streptomyces benqueli is used in making of which of the following antibodies? Streptomyces benqueli is used in making of which of the following antibodies? Option is streptomycin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline, nistin. Option C is correct, tetracycline. Streptomyces benqueli is used in making of tetracycline antibodies. Next, example of pollution related disease. Option is molybdenosis, pneumonocosis, and leprosis, and fluorosis. Option B is correct, pneumonocosis. Example of pollution related disease is pneumonocosis. Option B is correct. क्या लिखा है पहचानने में भी नहीं आ रहा है, सॉल्व करते हैं, क्वेश्चन मिला है। Which vector is used in crop improvement as a natural genetic engineer? Option is plasmid, cosmid, and phasmid, agrobacteria. Option D is correct. Which vector is used in crop improvement as a natural genetic engineer? Option D is correct, agrobacteria. Next, the source of morphine is, इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, पेपावर सेमिनिस्फरम. The source of morphine is Papaver seminiferum. Next, hardest wood is found in. Hardest wood is found in. Option is Soria robusta, Toctona grandis, Codrus decodora, Mangifera indica. Option A is correct. Soria robusta. Hardest wood is found in Soria robusta. Next, Kupfer's cells are. Kupfer's cells are hormone screening, fat cell, mast cell, phagocyte. Option D is correct. Kupfer's cells are phagocyte. Next, intrinsic factor of vitamin B12 absorption is secreted by. Option is Chief cells of stomach, Sertoli cells of testes, Pennant cells of intestine, Kupfer cells of liver. Option A is correct. Chief cells of stomach. Intrinsic factor of vitamin B12 absorption is secreted by chief cells of stomach. The focal option, question 78, the focal hemoglobin. The fetal hemoglobin dissociation curve is shifted to left related to adult oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. This is due to option is Hamburger effect, Bohr effect, Helton effect, double Bohr effect. Option D is correct, double Bohr effect. Next, Herbartian system is diagnostic feature of avian bones, reptilian bones, mammalian bones, bone of all animals. Option C is correct, mammalian bones. Herbartian system is diagnostic feature of mammalian bones. Next, the sequence of vertebrae from neck to pelvis in human vertebral column is. Option is cervical, thoracic, lumbar, pelvic. Option A is correct. The sequence of vertebrae from neck to pelvis in human vertebral column is. Option A is correct. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, pelvic. Next, the contraction of gallbladder. Contraction of gallbladder is due to enterogastrone, cholecystokinin, gastrin, secretin. Option B is correct. Cholecystokinin. The contraction of gallbladder is due to cholecystokinin. CHOLECYST होगा, cholecystokinin. Next, deficiency of antidiuretic hormone will result in. Option A is correct, increased volume of urine. Deficiency of ADH will result in increased volume of urine. Option A is correct इसके लिए. Next, the egg of some mammals have a more yolk there. The egg of some mammals have a more yolk there. Option is aquatic mammals, metatherians, and prototherians. Option C is correct. Prototherians. The egg of some mammals have more yolk. They are prototherians. Next, many physiological changes are associated with aging. Many physiological changes are associated with aging. Which of the following parameters does not change with age? Option is creatinine clearance, expiratory volume, hematocrit, rapid eye movement, sleep. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. Many physiological changes are associated with aging. Which of the following parameters does not change with age? Rapid eye movement, sleep. Next, the number of linkage group present in Escherichia coli is 1, 2, 3, 7. Option A is correct. The number of linkage group present in Escherichia coli is 1. Option A is correct. Next, how many bar bodies will be present in human cells containing the following number of chromosomes? How many bar bodies will be present in human cells containing the following number of chromosomes? Option is ऑप्शन इसके लिए ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. द करेक्ट नंबर ऑफ बोर bodies 1 to 9 is 1 0 0 1 1 2 0 2 3. Next, which of the following pairs is biologically incomplete for marriage? Option A is Rh negative man and Rh negative woman. Option B is correct. Rh positive man and Rh negative woman. Which of the following pairs is biologically incompatible for marriage? Option B is correct. Rh positive and Rh negative woman. Next, question 88. Industrial melanism as observed in Peppered moth proves that. Option A is a true black melanic forms arise by recurring random melanism mutation. Random mutation. The true black melanic forms arise by a recurring random mutation. Option A is correct. Industrial melanism as observed in peppered moth proves that the true black melanic forms arise by a recurring random mutation. Option A is correct इसके लिए. Next, a population is a group of. Option A is correct. Individuals in a species. A population is a group of individuals in a species. Next, मैच करने के लिए बोला है. लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2 दिया है. तो इसका जो पैसिफिक सैल्मन फिश ऑप्शन लिस्ट 2 के साथ होगा. ब्रीड ओनली वंस इन लाइफ टाइम. पैसिफिक सैल्मन फिश ब्रीड ओनली वंस इन लाइफ टाइम. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. एंड बी के साथ जो है एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ. NT equal to NO ERT exponential growth. Wester is a large number of small sized offspring. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. इसके लिए पैसिफिक सैल्मन ब्रीड ओनली वंस इन लाइफ टाइम. एंड ये जो फॉर्मूला है एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ का है. वेस्टर ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल साइज ऑफस्प्रिंग. नेक्स्ट, in binomial nomenclature the names stand for one scientific, one popular. Both are name of species. One generic, one species. Option C is correct. In binomial nomenclature the names stands for one generic and one species. Next, classification of phylum Protozoa is based on. Option A is correct. Locomotory organs. Classification of phylum Protozoa is based on locomotory organs. Modern man is believed to have a part on the surface of Earth. Option D is correct. 3.0 million years ago. Modern man is believed to have appeared on the surface. Modern man is believed to have appeared on the surface of Earth. Option D is correct. 3.0 million years ago. Next, a connecting link between reptiles and birds is. Option is Archaeopteryx. Option A is correct. A connecting link between reptiles and birds is. Option A is correct. Archaeopteryx. Next, retrogressive metamorphosis is the case of tadpole of frog, Bananoglossus hardmania proteus. Option C is correct. Retrogressive metamorphosis is the case of tadpole hardmania. Next, the scientific and commercial method of beekeeping is called. The scientific and commercial method of beekeeping is called pisciculture. Apiculture. Option C is correct. Apiculture. The scientific and commercial method of beekeeping is called apiculture. Next, female Anopheles mosquito is a vector of pathogen that causes yellow fever, filariasis, malaria, dengue. Option C is correct. Female Anopheles mosquito is a vector of pathogen that causes malaria. Question: which of the following is not a pathogen to human beings? Option A is correct. Entamoeba coli. Which of the following is not a Entamoeba coli is not a pathogen to human beings? Next. Which disease of eye is caused by bacteria? Xerophthalmia, glaucoma, trachoma. Trachoma. Option C is correct. Trachoma. Which disease of eye is caused by bacteria? Trachoma. Next. Last question. DDT is a form of insecticide, herbicide, pesticide, parasiticide. Option A is correct. DDT is a form of insecticide और DD का फुल फॉर्म है डाइक्लोरो डाइफिनाइल ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन. डाइक्लोरो डाइफिनाइल ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन. तो ये था टोटल 50 क्वेश्चन. थैंक्स फॉर